In a world that is constantly moving, there is one company leading the charge in corrugated stainless steel tubing: Easyflex. A company with humble beginnings as a CSST manufacturer 3.5 decades ago, is known today as a leading industry manufacturer that continuously pushes the boundaries of what is possible. Engineers and contractors select our products for their projects throughout the nation, a testament to the superior quality of Easyflex CSST. When it comes to quality, we only source top-grade raw materials from our time-tested partnerships across the globe. Great products start with great materials, and that's a principle we firmly stand by. Now step into our factories where our devoted teams work meticulously to manufacture top-tier CSST products. Precision is the hallmark of our production process, where time-honored techniques with modern innovation ensure every detail is perfected. But it doesn't end there. At Easyflex, reliability is paramount, ensuring all products undergo a series of rigorous tests to ensure that each finished product leaving our factory is functional and ready for use. Behind the scenes, our skilled warehouse staff is the engine that keeps us moving. Our distribution is powered by thousands of national wholesalers and 70 manufacturers reps, so plumbers and contractors have easy access to Easyflex products from anywhere. Easyflex is committed to exceptional customer service, offering attentive guidance and support to meet diverse needs. Our dedicated staff ensures a level of service that's second to none. Easyflex is making waves in the plumbing industry as a name that continues to build a legacy of excellence.